Hi, I'm Dr. Meredith Warner of the Well Theory and also Warner Orthopedics and Wellness in Baton Rouge. I'm a practicing orthopedic surgeon, and every day, all day, people come to see me, sadly, because usually they're in pain. Most of this pain is from chronic inflammation and oxidative stress, as you may be aware if you've been listening to any of my webinars or teachings. That is a fundamental construct that is responsible for most of what we call non-communicable diseases, one of which is arthritis. So cartilage destruction does not just happen because you're older, doesn't happen because you turned 40, it doesn't happen because you got injured at some point, although these could potentially contribute and are risk factors possibly. The real reason is a lifetime of oxidative stress and chronic inflammation from mental stress, from pollution, from bad water, from pesticides in your food, from bad food, especially processed foods, which are, generally 80% of the American diet. So one of the things I do when people come to see me, because people come to my practice because they don't really want synthetic medications, they try not to have injections, and they really don't want surgery. They want natural ways to get better. So my fundamental go-to is the Joint Health Multi that I designed for this particular problem, because it has 4 ingredients that help reduce inflammation and then help consequently reduce oxidative stress, and then also gives the cartilage sort of building blocks with phytochemicals to potentially heal itself. So it has turmeric, which is very well known to be extremely healthy, helpful for the gut, the heart, and of course to reduce symptoms of arthritis. It's been studied for that multiple times successfully. PEA, palmitoyl ethanolamide. This is a fatty acid amide that is in the same family as CBD and anandamide 2-AG, so also heavily studied in terms of reducing pain and inflammation, very successful. And then piperine, which is a black pepper extract. It makes the turmeric more bioavailable, but piperine in and of itself is anti-inflammatory. And then finally, ginger. Everybody forgets ginger, but ginger has been studied multiple times in treating arthritis, and it too is very, very successful, with the added bonus of being good for your digestive system. So the Joint Health Multi is my good baseline sort of control of arthritis, and my goal for my patients is not so much that they never take another drug like Celebrex or ibuprofen again, but that they don't need it nearly as often and they don't have to take it as often, because the side effects of non-steroidal anti-inflammatories include heart problems, gastric bleeds, gut issues. Just a single dose can destroy the gut biome. Some people get skin problems, and I could go on and on with the side effect profile. So I try to give people a good baseline with plant-based sort of formulations. So this is all phytochemicals. That'll give them a good baseline control of inflammation and pain. And then every now and then, sure, you're going to maybe have to take a synthetic ibuprofen or whatever, but hopefully not nearly as often. And then the other thing I tell people to take on top of the turmeric mix or the Joint Health Multi is Tart Cherry. So we take the turmeric mix or the Joint Health Multi in the morning, and then I tell people to take Tart Cherry Extract at night. And Tart Cherry Extract is a wonderful way to treat pain from really anything, but especially from arthritis. So it will actually downregulate NF-kappa beta, which is the pro-inflammatory gene transcription signal, and it will downregulate COX-2 enzymes. So the same thing that Celebrex does, but with none of those side effect profiles. So you don't have to worry about kidney problems, you don't have to worry about stomach bleeds, you don't have to worry about heart disease. I mean, of course, I always have to have the caveat of please speak with your treating physician, but I would say for good baseline control of joint pain at a fundamental foundational level, which will then give you a chance to take fewer harsh chemicals less often, I would go with the Joint Health Multi and the Tart Cherry Extract. That is a great combination for signs and symptoms of inflammatory disease in the musculoskeletal system, commonly known as arthritis or tendonitis. Hopefully that helps you, and y'all have a great day.